Love granny square and crochet? Let's make this adorable granny square earphone pouch. You can attach it to your bag. It has enough space to hold one pair of earphones. It can also be used as a coin purse keychain. For the demonstrations, I am using 4-ply cotton yarn and as a hook 3.50 millimeter crochet hook. 3.0 millimeter crochet hook. First, make a magic ring. Okay, we will make a magic ring and chain 3 to make the turning chain. Okay, this chain 3 count as a double crochet and make another 2 double crochet. Give a 2 chain as a space and again make 3 double crochet here. And when I completed 3 double crochet and give again 2 chain as a space and make 3 double crochet here. Like this I make 4 times as a 3 double crochet. Okay, when I completed 4 times 3 double crochet, then I closed it first chain where I take 3 chain, that's last 3 number chain. I closed a slip stitch, give a slip stitch and closed it. And now I am going to change color, so chain 1 and pull tight and cut the yarn. Okay, this is our first round of our granny square. To change color, I am going to make a slip knot. Pull it a little bit close and place it on my crochet hook just like this, and this is a 3 chain means a double crochet, and here I will make it to another double crochet. We will start in the chain 2 space right here, so remember it. Okay, then again I will give another double crochet 3 times and 2 chain space 2 chain and again 3 double crochet. Like this I will complete this row, and it will so easy for you to understand. Okay, I will now close. And 3 number chain I will make a slip knot, and now I going to change the color. Now I will add new color for the third round. First, in this page I will take a 3 chain and then I will make a double crochet, and here 2 double crochet and 3 chain means 1 double crochet, total 3 double crochet, 2 chain space and give a 3 double crochet. And again when I reach this space, then here I make a 3 double crochet, and then I will go to chain space, and there I will give 3 double crochet, 2 chain space and 3 double crochet, and like this I will complete this third row. Here I give a slip knot and I close here by taking a yarn here, and I give single crochet all round on chain space. Okay, and when I go to the chain space, there I give a 2 single crochet, 2 space and 2 space chain and 2 single crochet, and like this I will give single crochet whole side. Okay, when I come here, then I will show you. Here when I reach, then I take a single crochet and here give 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain, 4, and here give a space and close first single crochet where I am taken there and closed by slip knot, and next part, another part, the bow of the bows, there I will give same place long chain. You can take here 15 chain, and here I closed by single crochet and all along I have completed it. I cut the yarn and now I will go to join the 2 pairs with single crochet.
এই জন্য যেটা করব,
2 pairs, 1 purse where a long tail chain and another purse where I space also. Now I take that front part, 2 granny squares front part, same here, and I will give here a single crochet, and here I insert the hook, look carefully and pull a yarn and make a single crochet like this. I insert the hook, 2 granny squares chain space and pull a yarn and make a single crochet like this. I have completed this round, and here when I will come, then I show you. Here I come and I closed stitch and cut the yarn and I straight it, and look, this is how you insert the earphone in the pouch and by chain close it. That's enough. Completed.